Hey guys, I'm Chris. Welcome to Show Me the Hogs. Today I'm going to give you two methods you can use to load and unload your kayak by yourself. I'm also going to talk about the proper way to tie down your kayak and in the process eliminate that annoying buzzing sound you hear as you're driving 100 miles an hour to your next fishing spot. So let's get to it. First, you're going to need a few ratchet straps and some old towels. The first method I'm going to show you is what I like to think I'm macho method. First, I put towels on the side of the car to minimize scratching. When I begin to lift the kayak, I set it upright on its side and place my hands on the inside of the hole. The next part is the most important part of this tutorial. Do not lift with your back, lift with your legs, otherwise you could really mess up your back. As you lift the kayak and walk toward your car, extend your arms and lift the kayak as high as you can. Walk forward and place the kayak on top of the car. Line up the kayak and ensure the weight is distributed evenly. To dismount the kayak from the car, place one hand on top of the kayak and one hand underneath. Slowly transfer the weight of the kayak from the car to your shoulder. Back away from the car and slowly lower the kayak to the ground. But for those who are not gluttons for punishment like I am, there is another, easier method you could try. It's called the I'd rather not injure myself method. Again, place your towels on the side of the car and angle your kayak to be perpendicular to the car. Lift the front end of the kayak above your head and lean it against the car. Ensure the kayak is stable so it doesn't fall over, hurting yourself, someone else, or damaging the kayak. Lift the rear of the kayak and slide it onto the car. Begin rotating the kayak into position. Dismounting is basically doing everything you just did in reverse. Rotate the kayak to be perpendicular to the car. Once it's perpendicular, slide the kayak off the car slowly. When the rear of the kayak is on the ground, walk to the front of the kayak and lower it to the ground. Now to properly secure the kayak to the top of the car, I use 4 ratchet straps, 1 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 1 in the back. The front and the rear ratchet straps are anchored by the steel loops on the underside of the car. The 2 middle straps are anchored by the loops on the sports rack. If you're using a sit-in kayak, do not place the straps over the cockpit. It will create an unbearable strap hum that will be more annoying than the most annoying sound in the world.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
More on that here in a minute. When your ratchet straps are firmly in place, tie down any excess straps so they're not flapping around in the wind. Give your kayak a good shake to ensure it's not going anywhere. Now there's one more trick I want to show you guys in regards to strapping a kayak to the top of a car, especially for you sit-on-top kayakers. Alright, let's get rid of that annoying strap hum. To eliminate that annoying buzzing sound, take your strap and twist it until it forms a sort of cord. When you've sufficiently twisted the strap, ratchet that thing down and you'll be good to go. I also recommend doing this for the front strap because that thing flapping around in the wind can be annoying to listen to and look at. Well, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Leave any comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment section below. We're open to anything. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.